beautiful harmony with environment and culture, life-enhancing, promoting a pleasant residential environment. That's how Bucheon is. Our Bucheon consists of 7.9% of the entire population of all of Gyeonggi-do, with 320,000 houses and 890,000 people. We are turning over a new leaf of harmonious city with culture and environment. Boksago Yesul Festival, which exhibits various culture and art, balancing tradition with the modern age. You can see them through the Bucheon International Fantastic Film Festival, the Bucheon International Cartoon Festival, showing the internal and external cartoon industry of Korea. And we have the Bucheon International Student Animation Festival and the Bucheon Philharmonic Orchestra too. With the slogan, Korea's #1 culture and environmental city construction, we created the Bucheon Waste Processing Facilities for an environmental city construction and promotion for our citizens' public convenience. The Bucheon MSWI plant has the capacity of processing 300 tons of garbage every day. It decreases the amount of garbage and incinerates daily refuse in a hygienic way. This plant is very efficient and in an eco-friendly facility which converts waste heat to energy. Bucheon City garbage collector vehicles gather garbage from every single corner of the city and deliver it to the MSWI plant. This collected garbage is put into our refuse incinerator facility and turned into a complete combust in the garbage furnace. To minimize pollutants such as dioxin and mercury, we applied high-tech facilities like a gas cooler, a bag filter, and a selective catalyst reaction tower in the facility. And these facilities absorb more than 99% of the heavy metal by way of adhesion using slaked lime and special chemicals. We have a real-time stack telemonitoring system which monitors the combustion gas discharge to the air from the funnel, and this monitoring system sends the measured data to an executive agency. We are leading an eco-friendly culture and environmental metropolitan way of life. Likewise, the Bucheon City Waste Disposal Complex controls gas discharge with strict rules and regulations. We want to inform you that the waste incineration facility is not a facility of disgust, but an eco-friendly, clean, high-tech facility. Additionally, we capture the high temperature from combustion gas after the incineration process. This heat turns into the steam which drives the turbine and creates electricity and generates hot water. This supports not only the energy for the facility itself, but also the heating energy for approximately 3,000 local households. The MBT installation is an eco-friendly renewable energy center which collects and manufactures daily household refuse. The MBT installation in the Bucheon City Waste Disposal Complex takes 90 tons of refuse and derives 38 tons of RDF per day. This RDF would be used as fuel for an industrial boiler. Food waste from the whole Bucheon area is delivered by Bucheon food waste collecting vehicles to the facility in Gaeryongdong. The delivered food waste is measured, carried, and dumped to 3 hoppers. Firstly, this food waste goes through a dehydrating process, and a private company converts it into compost. Liquid from the dehydration process is sent to the North Water Resource Ecology Park for sewage disposal. Recycled waste gathered from all over Bucheon City is sent to the sorting department. Indeed, we require the citizens' kind help on separating the recycled wastes in the first place. After the second sorting process in the sorting department, all recycled material is compressed using a high-pressure compressor for convenience of handling. Then the compressed recycled materials are supplied to the corresponding factories for recycling. Collected large volumes of wooden waste are crushed and ground by a pulverizing machine and sent to a furnace for incineration. We transform styrofoam refuse to an intermediate base material such as ingot for other recyclables. By enhancing the waste collecting and recycling system, we are maximizing the resource reuse efficiency and leading to make the city environment a clean and pleasant one. We contribute to resource recovering by minimizing refuse, reusing refuse, and sorting of recyclables. The Bucheon City Waste Disposal Complex created trails, Cactus Botanical Gardens, fountains, and shelters for its citizens so that you can take a rest and refresh yourself. There are no more unpleasant places with noise and nasty odors. We, the Bucheon City Waste Disposal Complex, will do our best to maintain these public facilities well, to help people's lives be cleaner and happier. The Bucheon City Waste Disposal Complex will handle daily household refuse in a hygienic and safe way, and transform the refuse into resources and energy. We will do our best to keep the environment clean and safe. Please remember to love your environment and help us by sorting all recyclables. We look forward to building Korea's #1 culture and environmental city with you. Thank you.